In this video, we will focus on the Tools tab. So once you click on the Tools tab, you see here all the tools. These are really TA tools or travel agents tools, reservation officer tools, useful tools that you probably need as a reservation officer to help customers faster, to get more information without always searching Google or searching online for information. So let me show you exactly what you can do here. Imagine you have a customer and a customer is planning to go to Puerto Princesa. A very nice airport. However, they're asking for a question and they want to know how much is the terminal fee for Puerto Princesa. Of course, this is hard to answer because you don't know exactly where to find it. So you have to search everywhere. So that's why we have this tool here. You can find here every Philippine airport, the terminal fees. They're all specified here. So what you just type in here, you can type in here Puerto Princesa, and there you are. You can see here Puerto Princesa. For local, it is 200 peso. For international, 700 peso. Easy to explain to your customer. And imagine you're on Manila Airport, 0 peso. And for international as well, 0 peso. Main reason, it is already included in the ticket. Of course, we still recommend to consistently check in case if it's not true or if we are outdated. However, we are striving here and we're checking it on a monthly basis to make sure that everything here is correct. However, sometimes it just changes and we can guarantee that this stays 100% up to date in real time, since if something changes, we always try to change that as well. And the same goes, of course, for other things. Visas. Have you ever had customers, they want to go to a specific destination and you're not sure if it is visa free or not? Well, let's have a simple question. Customer wants to go to Brazil. Is Brazil visa free for Philippine passport holders? Do you know? If you don't, well, we just search for it. We can search for it here first and we just type in Brazil. And there you are. Well, guess what? Going to Brazil is visa free for Philippine passport holders. Next one is, imagine a customer wants to go to Holy Land, Israel. Is it visa free? You might know, you are not sure. However, we can just find it out quickly. We just type in Israel and there you are. Guess what? It is visa free. So, how does it really work? Basically, we have two visa types. You have the tourist visa and we have the cruise visa. So some countries require a cruise visa and others do not. And you have to double check in case if you are going to a specific country and you need to know, is there a cruise visa required, yes or no? You can check here as well. Not every country have the full details and it's not always applicable for every country. However, if you want to know always more, you can always click for here. You will go directly to the website where you can find the information or the contact details of the embassy within the Philippines. So you can call them or email them to get the latest details in case necessary. Same goes here up here for free baggage. One of the common questions people have is there baggage included and how many kilos? And it's a very hard question to answer because it depends on the destination. It depends also on the airline. So imagine customer is going to Amsterdam and they will take the airline KLM. In that case, you can check is how much baggage is allowed, hand carry, and how much kilos in the suitcase. Well, let's type in Royal Dutch Shell KLM and there you are. So you can see here in this case 12 kilos is allowed for hand carry and there is 23 kilos allowed for suitcase. So it's very easy to check. And finally, of course, here we have the Philippine travel tax in pesos. So this depends on the type of airline. Is it a low-cost carrier or a charter airline in GDS? And of course the type of class, economy or business or anything else. Of course, you can just search for it in case you have here international. You just type in the international and you can see here as well, you see here the asterisk. Please pay attention that price is usually included in the ticket. In this case, the price is included for GDS airlines. They are always included. And you can see here for LCC, this is in process of being included, but still not yet, and some airline companies are giving now the option to include it yes or no as an extra service to your customer. And this is basically everything what you need to know with the tools. And there are more tools coming. And if you have suggestions, don't hesitate to let us know. We're always trying to improve these tools to make it even better for you.